Annyeong! So today, we will gonna have our land trip to Dumaguete and to Siquijor because we're going to Siquijor! Yes, we're gonna have our team building there and come with me as we explore Siquijor.
Maybe one day, you'll feel what I've felt now.
She'll going to lend me her t-shirt. Bye guys, we'll be back.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Going to Siquijor.
Apo yung mga nino, dapat na natin ko yung Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah. That's the quality. Ay, yun lang ito. Makita nyo yung nawang. So, kung front camera akong gamiton, right, ang quality. Right, bita.
Di mo na mapabawin.
Time check, 11:16. We're at Sumino. Kisolon. And look at the mountain. How rich Bukidnon is when it comes to mountains. So yeah, because we have too many mountains here, we're going to the water. We're bound for Uzami City Port. Yeah. Lunch. We're launching. Yeah. Launching.
Make me a smile in your heart. Oh, non? Diba? Para to ko yan. Thank you kayo kayo. Pawin niya palungon.
Where are we?
Iligan City.
Wow! Pagkain na naman! Dito CR break in Iligan. And it's raining!
Hi guys, I'm so drunk right now and we're here in Iligan.
Are we here?
We are here in Iligan. Oh my god! Bagsak sa ayaw.
16:45. 4:45 p.m. We're at Lanao.
I'm excited.
We're at Mukasport. We're going to 5:32. And we're going to Uzami City.
I'm excited. I'm the vibe.
1 plus 1. 2 plus 2.
Wapo ka sir.
We're at Mukasport.
Riding a ship or barge.
We arrived at the Uzami Sport and we're going to
Dapitan City. Already na ako, Pak na ay artista.
We arrived at Dumaguete City. First day in Dumaguete. Ay, charot. First day in my life as a boarding cat. First day in my life as a boarding cat in Dumaguete City. Napagod na ako.
Ay, sorry, Dini. We're going to Atlanta restaurant. We're going to have our breakfast there, and we will ilis, and we will make up, and we will make our face tao again.
Yes, because our pores are opening now.
The treat starts now. We're gonna eat a good breakfast.
Oh, it's buffet.
Yeah, with bacon. Bacon, bacon. Love a good bacon. Hey, this is what I want. Prepping ourselves for the first itinerary. Memoranda for our
So stylish, so tropical.
so demure, so classy.
We are at Pulang Buto
Waterfalls
Spring Resort at Valencia Negros Oriental.
Go guys! I dare you to run! 1, 2, 3, run! Padlo ka? Okay. Dude, I now know the reason why I don't take videos or photos when I travel, because it's so hot, it's so humid. My face can't take it. It's so hot. My gosh, I'm so bothered.
Cause I can do it with a broken heart.
Siki Horse Water. We're at Siki Horse. We're at Siki Horse.
Di ko maiwasan pagmasdan ng iyong larawan kahit
Look at the blue water.
Amazing. Siki Horse is amazing.
We're going to Kawayan Holiday Resort.
And time check is
4:42 p.m.
and the closing time is
5 p.m.
But I can see us lost in the memory. August slipped away into my morning time.
It's so mahangin here. We're at Kawayan. daghan pa graduate, so nagpa-late lang. The famous gate. We're done with our Kawayan Holiday Resort itinerary.
Yes, we have great pictures and videos.
Pero tanawa mong namong. Very literal salt air.
And very oily tea.
Ay, kimchi?
Natulog ang mga tigulang.
All talaga ang aming pulutan. Mahal-mahal ng aming pulutan. Pila-pila pa naka-shot for? What pa lang, ma'am?
Lipong na ko.
Wala, di ka ba't sa'yo nagawa?
What ka?
The dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat of the tambourine, oh yeah!
Annyeong! Annyeong!
Welcome to our vlog! Where are we going?
We're going to the beach party.
We're going to our first bar.
Yeah. Oh
This
my
is
God.
named. What is the name of this?
Like, I'm so fucking...
This is Akram. Kalya Bistro. I don't feel good. I'm kaihion.
Me too.
This is
Cool kids, yeah.
What time is it? It's 10:29 and we are bar hopping. Thank you, Doc.
Libre.
Sana. Because we have no money.
Only ourselves on the phone.
Yeah! And a low-bat phone. Yeah.
Extreme bitterness.
Thank you, Doc!
Thank you, Doc! Tilawi, Ma'am Ren.
Napay open na.
Mga unta ni kay mahal sa Japanese restaurant. Okay, Heidi. Saan ni?
Soft ra siya, ma.
Doc, check.
Try na ko nga di mo shot.
Sa Bisaya, ma'am, si Urchin.
Tuyom.
Yes, tuyom. Wala kami lang kilo, ha?
Hindi mo.
Tulo.
Clean na siya kaya. Ako mamaya ko.
Kaji, kanina?
Ay, tag-juice rin.
Oh, barato siya diri compare sa Surigao. Sa Surigao, ang
Baro 100.
so mataba.
Pinapil na mga gitom. Ang kani, oh.
Coke lang. Pwede maglayan ka kami.
Na, ano, swaki. Guys.
Swaki Pro.
Pinag-inting kayo siya na yun yung gidayariya.
Uy, simba ko. Ma'am, murag na jud ko'y bahin ani ma'am baka murag ako nag-endorse diri ma'am.
Hindi, malansa.
Hindi po. Mas mahal ni siya sa Japanese restaurant, ma'am, so mukhaon na lang ta diri.
Grabe ka endorse na kayo.
Kaan ka sir, tag-G's. It's an uni.
Ato, adiri tapo.
Yes.
Yana na lang ma'am, yana na lang din, yana na lang siya. Hindi ganun. Ay, sorry.
Good morning for today's vlog. How to cook.
Ano bayad ka nang nangilan eh?
Naman tayo na lang siya.
Isa.
Oh, paniwala na wala naman din.
Ay, bago pa man good. Kabalo ka nga, wami ka palayo diri.
Wala naman din. Kinong kay Juan.
I'm the type, I'm the vibe. Fantasize, stay the night.
We're at Welcome to the Island.
Yeah.
Welcome to Siki
Ay, video
Hall.
ni. Yeah, okay.
Hey! Guys, ako dahil si Dayan, kanya si Diana. Ayan, 3 syllables. Ako kay 2 syllables. Okay?
Don't be confused because I might be called in the principal's office. Ano lang, sir?
It's a giant cork.
We're in
Larena Triad Restaurant and Bake Shop. Gusto na mo beach. Buying pa sa still mainit. A big otap. Charcoal is sweet. Not the charcoal I'm thinking. Kasi the charcoal that I've tasted before is bitter. This is our coaster, as they call it. The charcoal is sweet. I liked it. 135 steps. Asa magbayad sa CR?
heights?
No, I'm fine.
Traversing the road. Anak inay, saan naisiwang koan?
We're at Pitoba Cliff. It's a cliff.
40 meters ba? 40 feet.
Cause if we just smile, we can forget all of our troubles for a while.
But I can see us lost in the memory. August slipped away into a moment in time. 'Cause it was never mine.
Time check, it's 10:49 p.m. and maraming naganap sa team building. Anyway, it was fun. Thank you to all the doctors who donated their time and money.
Wala may amot, bisag piso.
Yeah, kaya wala may kwarta.
Tagagawas ng hiya.
Ito.
Pwede na ba may budo dahil?
Yeah.
Magpagawas o hiya.
So, after 1 year, I guess, mag-team building na po mi. If dili mi iban.
Pero sa RR na lang daw.
Hopefully, this will serve as a great memory.
And lesson.
Yeah. Picture is nice.
Picturesque. You try picturesque?
Ay, anong masasabi mo sa yung dream destination?
Kapoy, pero it was very worth it.
Opo! Artista. Artista yarn. Will you come back again?
If na ako'y kwarta.
Why?
Mula dali-dali.
So, the travel, grabe.
Grabe ang travel. Halos 24 hours. Pero, kung siguro mag-plane, goods lang.
Tapo yung barge. Kanang okay ra kung nakasakyanan mo mag-barge. Pero kung kamo, it's
mag-commute. Mag-commute ang method.
So stress.
Balin-balin ang hago kayo.
Pangit.
Sa pag magmaleta ka.
Pangit ang system actually. We are going home and another 24 hours travel. I don't carry. I don't carry hair. Wow! In fairness, mas organized karon kaysa sa tong last time. Ambot lang, basin siguro nag-search.
Hindi po, basin sa time po.
So, Friday po to, no?
Tapos, ano po ito, mga hapon na. Gapas na tanang siguro. Kaya ang last kaya kay alas gabi na.
Susun. Sala na.
Saan naman kayo dugay mi?
We arrived at Dumaguete Port.
Kami pork me.
Guys, we're so good.
It's raining and we survived the 4 hours.
4 sickening hours. Ah, rat?
I feel my ass so wrapped.
My sacrum is hurting.
Sit with my ass with vice versa. Hot, cold, hot. But the total trip is fucking worth it.
Is it?
Yeah,
Why?
because it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. World peace.
Namin nagdala. Namin kaabot sa Mukasport. So, nandina na lang. Yeli sa Dapitan. Ano naghila ka, Ma'am Rona?
Nga ako sa kanya, baby.
Ay.
Gidagat ko, sakit na akong kuan.
Sa? Ay, kasukaon ka?
Di man, gani ha. Niya parang kinagsakit na dyan noon siya. Kaya man ako.
Gutom na ka, ana. Dili na unsa dagat.
What time is it?
It's 6:54 a.m.
Yeah. Mag-breakfast amo ang breakfast versus ilaha.
Oh, si panawag na yan.
Hi, finally I'm home. I'm back where I belong. I really missed my CR. If only I can hug my bowl and then spank it because it's making me comfortable all the time. I will really hug it, but sadly I can't. I will try to sleep because we left Siquijor 10 a.m. and we arrived at Bukidnon today 1 p.m. We did not make it to the Mukasport because it was raining. So, and may accidented pa talaga ang isang Super 5 na bus. It happened na walang aircon ang fast cut pabalik. So, they notified us. Pangit pa rin. Kasi sa magstay sa taas, were literal salt, air, and everything. We stayed sa loob pa rin. May isang working aircon. It's not enough for us. I sat down sa hallway and doon nagstay for 4 hours. Wala na ko nag-video kasi it was so frustrating. Feeling ako, dito ko marang nag-start. Hindi ka po. There are many realizations. And if respect, you know, is not served, follow up it to the waiter. Yan na talaga ang nasa mind. Team building ka to have fun. At the end of the day, you need to achieve na na-enjoy ka. So, the beauty of Siquijor, knowing na nakapunta ka to another breathtaking view is so worth it. Bye! To the next vlog!